Piggies and bunnies.
Which one do you want?
Piggies and bunnies.
How cute, huh?
No more.
What is your deal? Okay. I need to know what you want from me. Piggies? Bunnies?
Ah!
Actually, Mommy's probably gonna have to decide.
Don't pick me.
Okay, I'm done. I'm sorry.
Piggy.
Hold on. We're not done.
Don't pick me. No.
What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast?
Dinner.
Okay, noodles should not make you crazy. Gotta do both now.
No, bye boys.
Hold on. We're almost done.
No,
Being crazy right now. I just need you to chill.
I don't want it.